FxPro review, the best trading platform in the world. Or is it? Well, that's what we're going to find out today. It says on their website, the world's #1 broker just got better. But I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about FxPro. I'm going to be showing you how to set up an account at the end and how to use it and etc. like that. But let's go through, beginning here. Let's see an overview of FxPro. So FxPro is a highly regarded Forex and CFD broker with over 15 years of experience in the industry. Here are some key points about FxPro. Okay, some key points are FxPro, upgrade your trading with the world's best broker. So they've been founded in 2006, so they're around a long time, so trustworthy. FxPro is safe, low risk option for Forex and CFDs. Now, they are one of the largest brokers in the world, so you can be sure that they're not going to disappear anytime soon. So they have regulations in tier 1 and tier 2 jurisdictions. And so lots of protection there and insurance. So FxPro is known for its MetaTrader and CTrader platform offering. Okay, so that's for desktop, web, and mobile. And they have the MetaTrader 4 and 5, and also have an online trading platform. So FxPro offers many different assets. So over 400 CFDs, and that's increasing all the time. Forex, shares, indices, metals, and cryptocurrencies. FxPro is the most competitive spreads are available on its CTrader platform. So the best spreads are on that, which features commission-based pricing. The effective spread for trading the Euro-US pair on a CTrader is roughly about 1.27 pips, but you can easily find that out on their website. It's always been updated. Just looking at the website here, you can see here the spreads here, okay, for different Forex and for futures, etc. Now, just looking at the broad range of platforms that have the FxPro trading platform. So this is their own product. They have the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the CTrader. Okay, and you can see there, we'll show you later on about that too. You can trade on your mobile, so easy there for Apple or Android. And let's see here, you have Forex, metal, cryptocurrencies, energy, shares. And this is massive stats here to have over 2,188,592 client accounts and have won over 100 awards. So big awards, 5-star customer service and industrial regulations by the FCA, CYSEC, and then you have this one is for England, this one is for Europe, this one's for South Africa, and this one is the worldwide for the rest of the world. So trade like a pro, or you can trade as a beginner, but I'll be going through that later on. But just some of the other things here, they are sponsors of McLaren, F1, etc. And just going up here, I'll just show you a few more things before I move on to the information. So about FxPro, a few other impressive things about FxPro. So they have a demo account. So if you want a demo account, I leave a link in the description and you get a free demo account, but I'll show you all that later on. So they were founded in 2006. There's the online chat. They're very responsive. So they have expanded to serve 170 countries. So it should be on the list. That's a lot of the world. So it is. So they have FxPro offers CFDs on 6 asset classes: Forex, shares, spot indexes, futures, spot metals, and spot energy. And they're regulated in all of the world with different regulation departments. Now, it's a trusted broker. It won this award in 2017, Most Trusted Forex Brand UK. Okay, so it won that award back then. You can see a lot of people. So it's a supporter of business, local business in England and Northern Ireland. So the company value is over 100 million, 15 years in business. There's 7 global sponsorships, 4 trading platforms, 6 asset classes, and this is massive. 13 milliseconds for an order filled, and orders executed per second is 7,000. So massive there. You can see a lot about the company. Are highly regulated and just award winning. So you have over 2,100 instruments to trade. So lots of sponsorship, 90 plus awards. They're Vision is our customer-centric approach places our clients' needs at the heart of the operations. We aim to remain the industrial elite and retain reputation of one of the most reliable, trusted brokers. So there we go. They're committed to the clients, and if you're growing that fast, you got to be, look at this. So many, 445 million orders executed to date by over 100,000 traders. I think that is. Most orders filled up to $7. Yeah, sponsorship. You can see here is sponsorship. Fulham FC, Aston Villa, Virgin Racing, F1, BMW, AS Monaco, World Rally Championship. So big sponsorship there around the world. Okay, let's go to Trustpilot. Now, this is a website I use anytime I'm researching a company, and definitely a company that I partner with. I only partner with companies that I can trust, and I would trust recommend it to friends and family. But FxPro, here we are on Trustpilot. You can put in the website and it'll give you the reviews. Now, good broker for me. So overall, it's got a 4.3, which is really good out of 193 ratings. And now I have to scroll through this to even find a bad review. The demo account of the broker is amazing. It allows me to get to know the particulars of the company risk-free and always free of charge. As you remember, if you want to try them out for free, I'll leave a link in the description for that free demo account. I trust this broker. Okay, recent renovation of the company, doing good for me. Okay, FxPro is great. Demo account's great way to get your feet wet without risking money. On the other hand, if you're more experienced, you prefer to look at the FxPro C Trader account, which offers the most advanced tools and features. And broker for professional growth, I can say that this broker is pure. I can't say this broker is purely for beginners, or the contrary, it's only for mature and professional traders. It's kind of suitable for both. Now, this is a big thing here. Now, when I was researching the company, some websites were saying that it wasn't suitable for beginners, but actually, they do give a lot of education advice, and they do help the new traders out, and they have support for new traders. FxPro totally has the environment. So he's saying it's for both beginners and advanced users. Here is something interesting too. I tried to compare all existing platforms, and here's a conclusion. C Trader fully suits my needs because availability to custom robots, so you can have that automatic trading too. So depth of market level two, lots of time frames and actual tools for trading, request response swiftness, sorry. Top of the best companies. So broker has everything necessary to stay on top of the best companies. Their excellent trading platform, range of financial instruments is concerned. Everything is perfect here. I'm glad that some time ago I choose this company and open a trading account. And I didn't filter any of these reviews. These are all the reviews on the website. So it's really good. FxPro is just what I'm looking for. Wide range of tradable assets possible to trade. Algos using expert advisors. By the way, those who enjoy via C Trader can also do automatic trading. It's really cool and interesting, and can't wait to gain profits. This is one of the top tier brokers. The surprising thing about FxPro is the premise ultra fast execution. Remember that 13 milliseconds for your order to go through, applied to all assets on this platform. The vicinity of I haven't tried them all, but the quality persists. There we go, guys. There's so much, lots of 5-star reviews. So let's move on and go into a bit more about the company. So we've covered a lot there now. The customer support is very good. It's a massive company. Their capital is massive too. So some of the trading platforms, as I said, FxPro, MT4, MT5, you have lots there. And you have supporting multiple languages. Users can customize the interface, and you can change your base currency and whichever leverage you prefer, and the maximum leverage. And the platform is capable of executing multiple order types. And you can set up as many trading platforms as you want. You can set up all 4 at once if you want. The platform's automatic trading feature is the most significant feature, allowing traders to program the platform to execute trades based on preset trading parameters using expert advisors. The FX Pro MT4 is considered the most critical platform of the broker as it provides clients with in-depth market information. Its successor, the next one, was FX Pro MT5. It's an updated version of the MT4, offering additional features. And for traders who wish to trade with raw spreads, the FX Pro C Trader is provided. This platform allows traders to access spot markets using interbank rates, facilitating efficient ECN trading. And then finally, to have the FX Markets platform is ideal for traders who want to trade directly for their desktop or tablet without any downloads. The platform allows for multitasking, with the platform providing efficient trading experience. Now, if you come onto the FX Pro account, here's my account. I just set it up. And while I was setting it up, I set up the C Trader while I was setting it up. But how easy it is to get started. You sign up through my link in the description. And then if you want to start with a demo account, you can just start with a demo account. And then you can put your money in your wallet. And then this is your account page here. So I have the C Trader already set up. Let's say I want to create a new account. All I'd have to do, let's say I wanted to do MT4 accounts and a standard or instant or fixed spreads, and you can select the leverage, your maximum leverage that you want there, and you can select your base currency. So let's say I wanted to use euro, and then you just create. That will be loading up there. While that's loading up there, I'll just show you here some of the pros and cons of FX Pro. High company capital worth 1 million. Fund insurance for investors. Remember the tier 1, tier 2. Expert advisors for beginners. VIP perks for high tier accounts. Top education and research department. I'll show you that now. Excellent demo account. All of the trading platforms. Swap tree accounts for Islamic traders, unique negative balance protection, excellent customer support, and free deposit and withdrawals. Now, the cons are it's a high minimum deposit of $100. Now, that mightn't seem much for some people, but in some countries where there's different currency, that could be a lot of money. CFDs and Forex only, and inactive fee. Okay, so that's some of the pros and cons. Let's come back here. Look at it's already set up. Okay, and then if you want to download this, you just come here, right? And you come to this website and it's all set up so beautifully. Okay, so down here you have the options and you have the support there. You have MT4, MT4 multi-terminal, MT4 web trader, all of these options, launch in browser, you can download them. The MetaTrader 5, look at all these options here. You have the mobile platform, the web trader, and you have the C Trader here. You can do online or app or download to your computer. The FX Pro here, FX Pro Edge, you can launch in browser or open in your app. So you can do it 3 ways. You can download it, you can work on your app, on your phone, or you can just go online and use your browser. So really good options there. So the fees, as I said, you can check out the fees. There's loads of tools here also. So you have a calculator here. You can check to test out how much are the fees for each pair of Forex, etc. Calculate the spreads, swap shorts, etc. Okay, so you can check out the position size there, required margin, commission, etc. And it's different for each platform. So they have a calendar here with all the dates, the Labor Day, etc. of all of that. And you have the education here, which is really good. You have lots of education center here. And just coming up here, I was looking at this before, the tools, accounts. So I covered all of that. Quick access here. So you can see here, you can look if the earning calendar, market holidays, if the FX Pro is a cool website too, where they do the experts that do analyze the market and put out news most days. Let's see here, we have the calculator, education, you have education here. So this is for beginners or experts. So for beginners or advanced, lots of things to learn here, guys. And it's all free once you set up an account. Remember to use my link in the description. And let's see, what else can you do? Just, it tells you everything here. You have help center, a really developed platform, has everything you need, and it's quick to transfer the money. It's within 10 minutes. And then to take it out is nearly instantly, but bank transfers might take up to a day. But very fast, looks really good, guys. What else can I show you here? Oh yeah, I'm going to show you the platform. Okay, let me show you the platform here. But let's just go back to my website here. So you can see here some of these fees you can check out yourself, but they're just average fees. Okay, and this is my actual my website here. So you can see there deposit fee. So here is the deposit fee is zero, withdrawal fee is zero, account fee no, inactive fee. There's an inactive fee, yes. So is FxPro a reliable broker? FxPro is trustworthy broker. Okay, it's got a counterparty credit rating of 96 out of 100, indicating a low risk of default or bankruptcy. Additionally, the broker participates in financial service compensation scheme, allowing to claim compensation in case of insolvency. Okay, so your cash is safe there. So can it be used in the United States? Unfortunately not, but most other countries it can. Is it suitable for beginning? Now, this is a point that I researched ever online, but now different opinions. So FxPro may not be the best choice for beginners, as it's better suited for those more advanced or experienced trader. Now, some websites said it's because of the $100 minimum deposit, and some websites said different things. But I think now, looking at them reviews before, for beginners to have the education center and to have advisors to help beginners out. So you can try out the demo account and see if it suits you. Anyway, so how is the minimum deposit that compared? As I said, that's $100. It might be a bit more than other. What is the maximum leverage? So the leverage is 500 to 1. So it went through the trading platforms and they do negative account balance. And their policy, FxPro has no slippage policy for the market and instant execution orders. This means the price of the trade is executed the same price as delayed at the time when the order was passed, even if there was a sudden market. However, slippage may occur in certain market conditions or during times of volatility, and that happens to most brokers. Now, I went through all of that. So here is just some of their advertising. Get the trading platform conditions you deserve. Reduce spread for high volume. You can get VIP accounts if you're a big trader there. But let's go back to the main and let's go back to accounts. Okay, so let me see the C trader. Okay, so let's go to the C trader and we go here and let's go down to C trader. Down here, just come here. Let's see where the C trader is. We'll close that off. Here's the C trader here, and you can launch in the browser. And here we are, guys. This is the interface. Wow, very cool. I love the way it's already laid out with the charts and the buy and sell and the orders and everything. A lot of platforms are not like that. Look at this, everything here, withdraw, live chat. Wow, you even have a live chat here. Button to go to the live chat there if you want support. Wow, I like it. I like it, guys. You can look through that account. And I'll show you, if you want a demo account, use my link in the description. And you just click here, open a new account, and you can select which kind of account you want, like we did before. And then amounts, you can put in 500 to 100,000 demo accounts. So whichever you like. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I may make more videos about FxPro in the future. Remember, if you want a free demo account or you want to sign up with them and support my work for free, use my link in the description. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.